For question 1, we are going to plot a graph of absorbance versus ion concentration. The first thing we need to do is we need to highlight the ion concentration for the x-axis and the absorbance for the y-axis. Then we need to click the insert and choose the scatter plot graph, and then I click on the quick layout to display the equation and the r-square. Then we click on the right side to display the error bar, and we custom the error bar based on the standard deviation that we have been calculated. Vertical error bar needs to be costumed according to standard deviation. The wider the error bar, the more deviation from the average, and the error bar is small, meaning the deviation from average absorbance is also small. Lastly, we need to rewrite the title of the graph, which is graph of absorbance versus ion concentration, and the y-axis as the average absorbance, and x-axis as the ion concentration.
First, we need to highlight the table. First, we have to click charts, and we will do a scatter plot. So we can change the chart design. We have to do title and the axis labels. So the graph title, as I mentioned, is the graph of average absorbance versus the protein. The title for the x-axis will be protein in microgram units, and the title for the y-axis will be the average absorbance. To add the trend line, and the trend line that we are going to be doing is a linear. And then we have to add the equation of the linear trend line. Click the display equation on chart, and this is the equation for the linear trend line.
The new experience that I have gained from this assignment is actually the fact that we had to do an error bar. Before I have never done an error bar before, so I had to do a lot of reading.
Doing the assignment is I get new knowledge about the Excel, because before this I never used the Excel.
Doing this assignment was I get a lot of knowledge on how to calculate the relative standard deviation, plotting graph, and also
The new
display
experience
the
that I
error bar.
got from this assignment is that I know how to calculate the average, relative standard deviation, and also standard deviation straightforward in Excel without manually calculated in calculator, so it will avoid mistake and also
assignment I gained